Claire, what are we doing right now?
I'm waiting for Sam to get here to take us to the beach.
So we were gonna have our friend Sam pick us up, but I don't think he woke up. Actually, I should probably talk to the camera. Good morning, it is 6 o'clock and we're actually gonna go watch the sunrise, but the sun's already rising a little bit. That's okay. Our friend Sam was gonna pick us up, but it's okay, Sam, but I think he slept in. But our other friend is gonna pick us up instead. That was gonna meet us there. But yeah, so he's almost here. Claire's very tired today. Just waiting on her pal, Seth. We're definitely gonna miss the sunrise, but I'm having a lovely time with Claire.
One morning Uber to the beach.
Thank you for coming back.
Of course. Beach time! Woo! Good morning, Chad and Claire.
All right, let's go catch the sunrise.
Look at me, I'm in a vlog!
Just doing Instagram stuff, you know.
It's
Very excited.
Would you like a cup of joe?
oh my
Look at you,
gosh.
Some cold brew? Sponsored by Stoke. Stoke, sponsor us. Your coffee is excellent.
Red Solo cup. Guess I gotta film myself drinking it.
I look good drinking coffee too. Cheers!
All right, we just went for a swim. Sam is here and he has joined us now. Finally, just kidding.
Howdy.
There's Claire and Seth walking in the distance. It's a beautiful day. Probably not gonna use this, maybe I will. Power. So we've been watching these birds that have been in this nest. Should be right over there. For about 3 weeks we were watching them. Mom had eggs, they hatched, and now they're growing up very fast. We're in our last week of school as well, so the timing is crazy. We have like 5 days left in Savannah, and they're still in our yard, and Claire loves to come watch them.